Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Sennheiser headphones. And to do this, just be sure that your headphones are turned off, and you can check it by holding this power button. As you can see in my case, and it blinks on the red, and also there was the notification that they are turned off. Indicator is not activated, so it means that they are turned off. Then just click and hold this button one more time to power on your headphones. Right now we have to release that button and hold the power button, I mean the volume up button, until it turns purple. There we go. And right now also we've got the notification that the connection list was cleared, so it means that we performed the reset. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.